Hi everybody, this is for Cherry Creek High School's Math Department CP Algebra 1. We're going to be working on worksheet number 11 in chapter 8. This is on completing the square. So let's go ahead and do those. When we complete the square, first thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and make a space. So you can probably see a nice space there. And then I'm going to put some brackets below, which will be squared. So this sign here will always be this one here. Put an X here. What is half of 4? It's 2. What's 2 squared? 2 times 2 is 4, so that's plus 4. Being I'm on the right side, I also have to subtract 4 from it. So those would cancel out if you were to add them together, but we don't want to do that because this is my complete square. Then I'll go positive 5 minus 4, so I get plus 1. So my vertex, this is now in vertex form, will be at 2, 1. Okay? Problem number 3 is going to be done the same way. So remember, the first thing we want to do is we want to make a space between our x term and our constant. So I have y equals x squared minus 6x. Make a space. See the space right there? Then we're going to have x quantity. Remember, that sign comes down. Half of 6 is 3. It goes there. 3 times 3 is 9. So plus 9. Remember to also subtract it, and that's now your complete square. And I'm going to get plus 1. This is now in vertex form, so our vertex is at 3, 1. Remember, it's opposite if it's grouped. If it's not grouped, it's the same sign. Number 5 is a little trickier because we have a lead coefficient that happens to be a 2. So first thing I'm going to do on this problem is I'm going to divide everything by 2. So I get x squared. I'm also going to make the space. Half of 8, because I'm dividing by 2, is negative 4x. Half of 10 is 5. And there's my space. So we're going to come back to that 2 in a moment, but not yet. Okay? All right, so we're going to complete the square. So I get x quantity. Remember, that sign has to come down. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So if I add 4, I also have to subtract it. So this is now my complete square. And then plus 1. But we're not done yet. Remember this 2 right here? We need to make sure we multiply it here and here. So it's going to be out front. So now my vertex is going to be opposite of that 2, so it's positive 2, and then outside positive 2. That 2 just deals with how fast it grows when we graph it.